Alright, so we're going to filter some water. We're not going to actually filter it. We are going to sterilize it with UV light. So we're going to dip her a little water here. Right out of the current so it's nice and clear. There we go. Now, I just turn this little motherfucker on. Dip it. And UV light comes on. And we stir it. So that's all, you know, not a big deal. You can see the UV light now that I took my headlamp off in it. Stir it till the light goes off. So what it does, apparently, it doesn't kill, you know, the bacteria and amoeba and all that shit. It actually, no offense to the lights there, Jay. Anyway, it doesn't kill them, it disrupts their DNA. It's fucking cool. I think that's kind of cool. Yeah, I like it. I'm into shit like that, though. You know? Seems like it takes forever, but it's actually only 90 seconds. All that DNA being shattered, ripped apart, torn asunder. Drama. It's a dramatic thing, drama. So this is a liter, I believe, and I'm gonna do 2 of them. That should be enough to get me over Canyon Creek. Take water from Browns because Browns has no mining activity up above it. Can't really say that for Chalk Creek. Beautiful as Chalk Creek is, I'm a great admirer of the beauty of that waterway, but super fun site. Up near the headwaters, we're going to be going past it. So, you know, I'd say skip that, unless you really like arsenic and extra cadmium and what all. You know what I'm saying. Alright.